Welcome back to Dr. Nice Practice. Today, we'll be talking about grooming, a very sensitive topic that a lot of men have not yet understood, even though they should. So, sharpen your ears, because we're going to get right into it. First things first, let's talk about your hair. That's right, you need to be getting regular haircuts to keep it looking fresh and clean. If you still haven't found a haircut that fits you, look at these different pictures. See, you want to find a haircut that actually matches your face shape because it really does make a difference. Also, what we recommend you to do is to actually go around and try out different barbers until you find one that you like. It actually took me quite a while to find a barber shop where they can actually fix my hair and make it look nice every single time. And now I couldn't be happier, and this is the only barber that I go to. So try it out, just go to different barbers and find one that gets your hair looking nice. Usually men look pretty good with a shorter hairstyle. Look at these pictures. Now, if you can pull it off, and this really does depend on your face shape, you can also have a longer hairstyle. So look at these pictures and see what kind of matches your style a bit more. These longer hairstyles, they can be harder to sustain. See, if you need to style your hair every morning, you're gonna have some bad hair days every now and then, and it can be quite a pain. This actually takes us to the next step, which is that you want to be using either sea salt spray or wax for your hair. A lot of guys actually like to use gel, but what we here at the Dr. Nice Practice have found is that gel oftentimes leaves your hair looking very greasy, and that is literally the last thing that you want. Wax, on the other hand, makes your hair really nice and thick, but not greasy. And the same goes for sea salt spray, which also adds a bit of volume to your hair. It goes without saying that if you address your hair, you need to fix your dandruff. You can get some special shampoos from the pharmacy for this, or if your dandruff is not that severe, you can actually just use some Head and Shoulders. It's probably a very good option for you. One pro tip that we recommend is that you actually blow dry your hair upside down. So you kind of bend over and blow dry your hair, and it's going to give you some extra volume if that is what you want. Combine this with some sea salt spray and you'll be looking like Ronald McDonald. Now let's talk about beards. First of all, if you can't grow a full beard, you're probably going to be better off just shaving it all off. Clean shaven in those instances oftentimes looks a lot better. If you however have the facilities to actually grow a beard, you want to keep it nice and trimmed. Good rules for this are that you want to trim your beard away from your neck, about 2 finger sizes above your Adam's apple. Trim your beard around your jawline, on the cheeks and above your lips. This should all be a very even length. However, your goatee can be a bit longer. Some hair that you absolutely do not want in your face is nose hair and monobrows. So plug them and shave them so that people can't see them anymore. As for your eyebrows, men oftentimes have some really nice and thick eyebrows. This is a look that you might want to go for unless you've got these really big caterpillars on your face. To make your eyebrows look extra nice, you can actually use some eyebrow gel or even some oil and put it on there to make them look a bit thicker and a bit healthier. To trim your body hair, you want to get an electric trimmer or shaver. The best one that we've used so far is the Philips One Blade. Sadly, we're not sponsored by them, but this is by far the best shaver that we've ever had. It even comes with 5 different clips that you can pop on top of it to shave yourself anywhere from 1 to 5 millimeters length, or if you take them off, down to 0. You do not want to shave your arms or legs unless you look like a gorilla. Keep those hair about 3 to 5 millimeters. It's a very masculine look, but it's still going to make you look nice and clean. For your belly and back, you mainly want to keep your hair down to 0 millimeters. In most instances, it actually does not look good if you've got hair there. Some people can rock a hairy chest. However, if it looks a bit patchy, just take it down to 0. Other than that, your chest and armpits, you can usually have them about 3 to 5 millimeters in length. That's alright. For your groin, keep it 1 to 2 millimeters. And now for your lip health, get yourself a good chapstick. In fact, there's always, at any given point in time, a Burt's Bees in my left pocket. I use it all the time. I have it with me everywhere that I go. And my lips, they look amazing. One advantage of Burt's Bees is actually that the original version comes with a slight mint smell to it. So if you make out with a girl, she's gonna think that you just brushed your teeth even though you only applied your Burt's Bees.